Insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up, then go to Insert, and you'll find Header and Footer. Simply select Header or Footer. Select one from the option. You'll find all these options. Then simply click on Type here and type what you want as your header. You can do same with footer as well. Go to Insert, click on Footer, and type in your footer. That's how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.